This is Apollo Control, 81 hours, 27 minutes ground elapsed time. Still 1 hour and 9 minutes out from lunar orbit insertion maneuver, which will be a service propulsion system burned behind the moon. The time of ignition will be 82 hours, 36 minutes, 46 seconds. Burn time, 6 minutes, 12 seconds. Altitude above the moon, 2,858 nautical miles. Velocity continuing to increase, now showing 4,941 feet per second. At 81 hours, 30 minutes ground elapsed time, this is Apollo Control.
Shortly, Apollo 14 would slip behind the moon and into a radio blackout. Once there, the spacecraft's SPS engine would once again be ignited, this time slowing the vehicle and allowing it to enter lunar orbit.
14 Houston. Okay, we're about 45 seconds now to LOS, Ed. We'll see you on the other side.
Thank you. This is Apollo Control. We have had loss of signal as Apollo 14 went around the corner of the moon for the first time, coming up on 11 minutes even until ignition for LOI. Mark, 11 minutes until ignition, lunar orbit insertion burn. At 82 hours, 25 minutes ground elapsed time, this is Apollo Control.
As on all Apollo flights, ground controllers would have no way of knowing whether the LOI burn had succeeded until the spacecraft re-emerged from behind the moon and re-established radio communication.
This is Apollo Control, 82 hours, 55 minutes ground elapsed time, about 52 seconds away from acquisition of signal here as Apollo 14 comes around the moon on its first lunar orbit.
Go ahead, 14.
Okay, Farrell, we had an extremely fine burn and turned the point as follows.
Okay, 14, we copied.
Apollo 14 had indeed entered lunar orbit.